Not a single trinket of treasure did I find on my foray into the desert.
Oh, cheer up, Captain. We got to bring home some delicious cake.
I've had enough of sharks and cake.
Here you go, Bones.
Thank you, Mr. Smee. Nom nom.
Let's see now. Where's Sharky? Sharky! Sharky!
No, not again!
Not a fan of coconut, I guess.
This be boot buckle, and it be funky. I'm wearing my boots 2 sizes too big. Me pirate boots. And I'm swabbing down the deck with a pirate jig like this. No need to tie my boots, cause they got no lace. Just a bootstrap buckle keeps my boots in place. Buckle up your bootstrap. You can swashbuckle, shuffle in your boots or your shoes. Boot, boot, boot. It's a boot buckle, bucko. It's a buccaneer groove. Boot, boot, boot. It's the boot buckle.